Today I'm going to be talking about the clarification of our goals in 6+1 writing traits and also the rubric to do with the same. First of all, then the goals for writing. The goals are the things that we are learning to do. First of all, we're learning to celebrate our success in writing. We're going to be looking at not what is missing, but what is there. Another part of the goals that we're going to be doing is learning how to build on our strengths, the things that we are good at when it comes to writing, but also seeing exploration as an achievement. Then we're going to be learning to write in such a way that we're sharing with others the adventure of our own writing, and we're understanding the power that I can have to do amazing things with the words that I use. So those are the three goals that we're going to be looking at. In conjunction with that, we're also going to be looking at the writing rubric, or the marking guide that we have, which we're going to be using for each piece of writing that we do. If you have a look here, we're going to be looking at this one here, which is the one right in the middle, because this is where you should be. And if we look here first, we've got the ideas, which is the meaning and development of the message. Now under that, it shows that I know something about my topic. My ideas are clear and focused. My writing makes sense to all of those who read. My reader will learn something from what I've written. I have some good details that explain my main idea. Under the organisation, which is the internal structure of our writing, we have my writing is easy to follow. I have a good beginning, middle and end that work well together, and my organisation suits my purpose. The voice. The voice is the way that the writer brings the topic to life. That is you. I can hear me in my writing. I have matched the audience with my purpose, and I'm starting to connect with my audience. For word choice, this is the specific vocabulary needed to confirm the meaning of the idea. My words are beginning to paint a picture in the reader's mind as they read. My words make sense. I use some strong verbs, adjectives and adverbs. The next one we have is sentence fluency, the flow of the words and phrases that I have used. So over here I've used some variety in sentence beginning and lengths of sentences. My writing is starting to sound smooth when it is read aloud. If I've used dialogue, it sounds the way that people talk most of the time. The conventions. The conventions are the mechanical correctness of spelling, grammar and punctuation. So I have spelt common and harder words correctly in my writing. My punctuation and grammar is mostly correct. My paragraphs do the job they're supposed to do. And finally, the presentation, the overall appearance of the published piece. So my handwriting is clearly formed. My handwriting has clearly formed letters and the spacing is just right. The font and size and spacing makes my writing easy to read. I have used visuals to support my main idea, and in visuals they mean pictures. So this is what you're supposed to be able to do. If you're not quite getting there, then you might be as a number 2. Or if you're really struggling, maybe as a number 1. But if you're going above what is normal, then you'll be getting something like a 4, which is talking about how strong you are. And if you are doing years ahead of yourself, then you'll be out here with the exceptional group.